Hey guys, Bree here from Mishawaka Crochet. It's day number 8. Let's get right into it. Here we go with day 8. Alright. Ooh, easy enough. Ooh, that's a long one. Look how long that is. Good golly. What could that be? Knitting needles, maybe? I'm not sure myself. I'm trying not to tear it up too much. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Oh, that's pretty. Let me set that down. Let's look at the pieces here. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, I like that. I don't know what I'm doing with it, though. Oh, is that a Tunisian crochet hook? I've been wanting to learn Tunisian. This is cool. Okay, let's actually look at the pattern. Oh, that's kind of a bummer they had to fold it like that. I thought it was like a single knitting needle for a second there. Oh, wow. I love that. 100%. I'm learning Tunisian this year. I want to make that. That's so cool. It's nice you've got the hardware and stuff. It'd been nicer if it came with the yarn. But to be honest, so far I've learned in the past, most of the time you don't get enough yarn anyways. So that is cool. Now let's go talk about what we're adding to our ultimate crochet bag. Today we're adding our measuring tape. Now, something you need to take into consideration if you're using a flexible measuring tape like this is they do stretch and wear out over time. I mean, you can see that mine has lost the little metal end that used to be on there, and you need to take your measuring tape every so often and measure it against something that's hard, like a yardstick or meter stick, something that isn't going to stretch out in time. Because I mean, if I'm holding this, trying to hold this straight, you can see that mine has a little bit of a wave to it. This one, about done for. I need to get a new one. So just a little tip. I don't want to keep you too long during the holiday season. So just a quick tip, something to think about. Until tomorrow, take care. See you on day 9.